Good day and welcome to this short video that seeks to highlight one of the most successful and iconic mass evangelism programs in Christendom. I'm talking about the Let's Go A-Fishing program of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, a mass evangelism outreach that has recorded tremendous success over the decades. The initiative started in Nigeria and has been successfully deployed. The Let's Go A-Fishing program introduces the Lord Jesus Christ to the public, and it was introduced to the United Kingdom in December 2023, following the vision of our General Overseer, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, and the active involvement and support of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Continental Overseer for Europe, Pastor Leke Sanusi. Evidently, the program has been successful in the last 3 editions. I'm here on behalf of the members of the committee in charge of planning the Let's Go A-Fishing in Europe, and we are employing you to please be part of the December edition for 2024. The program is slated for December 20, December 21, and December 22. This program's objectives are: 1, it allows you to fulfill the commandments that the Lord Jesus Christ gave us, that we should go out and evangelize and tell others about Jesus Christ. So if you join in, you will be fulfilling that commandment. Secondly, it enables us to plant new parishes easily. I'm therefore encouraging you to please actively participate in this edition and the next editions. If you do so, there is definitely a reward for you. Remember, the Bible tells us that those who tell others about the way of salvation through Jesus Christ, they are the people that are wise. And secondly, and more importantly, it is when you engage in evangelism consistently that you will qualify for the crown of rejoicing in heaven. It is my pleasure to encourage you to be part of this program at any given time, whenever it comes up in future, starting with this December 20, 21, and 22, 2024. God bless you in Jesus' mighty name.
Jesus is merciful, Jesus will save.